Who is Robert Smullen? You might know him as a dedicated public servant, but his story goes far beyond politics. Discover what makes him stand out in New York and beyond. Robert Smullen served as a Marine Corps officer for over 2 decades. His time in the military shaped his leadership skills and commitment to public service. This experience gave him a unique perspective on discipline and dedication, which he later brought into his political career. After retiring from the military, Robert Smullen transitioned into politics. He was elected to the New York State Assembly, where he serves his local community. His focus includes veterans affairs, public safety, and economic development, reflecting his military discipline and community dedication. Beyond politics, Smullen is deeply involved in his community. He advocates for veterans and works to improve local infrastructure and services. His work helps bridge the gap between military and civilian life, making a tangible difference for many families in New York. Robert Smullen's journey from Marine officer to New York State Assembly member shows how dedication to service can transform communities. His story is a great reminder that leadership comes in many forms. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.